Hello, the greatest AGATHA family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful, great family, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So let's dive into what is happening today, and I will be right back.
This na BBC PIDGIN live broadcast from Nyanya market, where fire burned about 10 shops yesterday and destroyed millions of goods. Goods were worth millions of naira. Traders where they sell for the market say they count their losses. Many of them here they cry, say all the things where they don't work for years, all the money they don't put inside the business, now everything now in dabaru like this. Sorry, madam. Madam, well done. This one of the madams where get one of the shops for here. She said she they do clothing business for here, and she said she don't lost goods worth millions of naira. Madam, we dey sorry on top waiting happen for here for Nyanya fire incident. We know say you they cry. We know say you they pain by waiting happen. If you just tell us briefly how you they feel about this thing, how it happened. You've been there.
Yesterday I was here and I did all the transactions.
We dey sorry. How long you don't do business for this market, and how much goods worth of goods there for this shop when the fire burn? More than 10 million.
Because I bought this shop in January. Then it was really a shambles. So I had to renovate it.
Yes, ma'am. More than 10 million. So now waiting, you say you want government make it help now. In what way government fee help now?
Because this is government this is the shop. And we're paying them on daily basis.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. So now, madam shop be this. They sell clothing, so all her materials, the shops, and everything. Now in fire burn down for this. Now fire burn down like this, and this now waiting remain ashes of her goods. And even the fire never even quench finish. You see, they see the smoke, they go up for here. This now waiting remain of her hard labor of waiting she don't work for years. Not be only her they cry, not be only her they mourn, they count her losses. And many of them say get tears for face, tears for eyes. They cry on top waiting happen to them. Oga, we sorry. We say you know say you be one of those where your shop waiting really happen. Waiting una know about this thing and how you they feel about waiting happen.
I was just like asking the person that called. I don't even know the number. How come? He said I should just come.
Everything on the which you dey which dey inside your shop? Which business you dey do for here? Okay. Okay, electronic shop. Now your shop is the first shop where we see for there. Okay. So now as it be like this, I know say many of now don't just call on government, the FCT minister say make it can't do something on top of this issue. Waiting exactly be your own demand. Okay, if you just watch us, this now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from the Nyanya market, where fire burn shops and business people they count their loss. Now you see crowd day here, many of young people see the surprise away the fire burn the shop. We go take on the fire service or garden place so that they go tell us exactly what them do, how them carry quench the fire, and waiting really be their investigation. Waiting they don't chook eye, waiting they don't investigate, find out on top the matter so far. For this part of the shop, we see these ones then they lucky. Even though the place burn, they see they pack their oil, but most shop everywhere here also still burn. So we hear saying about 10 shops like them burn for here. So we they talk to Mr. Adebayo, where be Oga Patapata of where be Oga where they represent Mata FCT Fire Service, head of operation for here. So Oga, waiting really happen. Waiting on our findings don't show concerning this fire incident.
Thank you so much. First and foremost.
Okay, you sabi speak Pidgin.
Yes.
But most speak Pidgin now for BBC Pidgin.
Thank God. We made the extent of damage no pass this one. Secondly, we regret with the victims that were immediately affected. Such a thing will not happen anywhere in Nigeria again. Yesterday, we received distress call for our control room. Say fire dey happen inside Nyanya market. That was 20 minutes to 7 p.m. Immediately, FCT Fire Service carro was mobilized to the scene of the fire. On reaching here, we saw the extent of damage and the level of the fire was so high. Immediately, we mobilized Asokoro fire station. They came with their fire appliance and tanker to come and complement waiting the fire station they do here. And when we saw the fire, the best thing we could do at that particular time is make we save the adjacent structure, make no fire spread to them. So that was what we did. Because if you can see the distance between the scene of the fire to the other structure was just 2 meters. So we tried to stop the fire fire spread to adjacent structures. Number 2, we try to see what we can salvage out of the goods inside the burning store. Above all, we thank God no life lost inside this the incident will happen. We thank God say fire no loss. Now, we want to
So waiting una here say carry cause this fire because we don't see the level of destruction. Waiting really cause the fire. Waiting una find out say really cause this fire.
waiting cause the fire. They say since morning there was no power supply, no electricity power supply. But in the evening time, the NEPA brought light. 15 minutes after NEPA brought light, there was a smoke inside the food selling store. And inside inside this we have gas cylinders stored inside the store. So it now ate the fire. When it exploded, the fire now became light. That was why it became difficult for one station to tackle, and we now call FCT Fire Service Asokoro to complement FCT Fire Service Cargo.
Okay, Mr. Adebayo, thank you very much for this explanation. We'll just go round now, and I don't hear from.
Now we want to beg all the market developers, make the help governments, make them help fire service. All these attachments where we see all around, we don't want attachments again, so that there will be easy access to any incident scene when we think. Number 2, we want them to provide fire defense equipment. For instance, fire extinguishers, portable fire extinguishers, so that they be able to put any fire in control at the incident state. Number 3, we don't want any marketer to sleep inside their shop. Once they close, let them leave the market premises. And we also want the market developer to ensure there is a task force that will be going around the market to ensure that nobody remains after the closure of the market. Also, there should be central switch for electrical supply to all the market stores. If anybody forgets to switch off any line, when they switch this off, it will be essentially switched off.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Adebayo. Our Pidgin audience, if you just watch, join us. This is now the BBC Pidgin live broadcast from Nyanya Market, where fire burned down shops, destroy properties worth millions of naira. Before we leave the market, make I just take una briefly see some of the shops and to see how the whole incident happened, how many shops them were destroyed, and make una see how the fire really burned the shops them. So you see some of them, the fire still there on. They see some of them, the fire still there on. It means that the fire still they burn for the shops. This one are clothing shops. As soon as they see like this. This one are tailoring shops. You see the clothes for ground, the zinc, the walls. Even as it did now, they say the whole structure itself, stand gidigba at the moment. That's why they make sure say make people come up from the area. So this now the losses when they see. This now the restaurant where they say get the cylinders where been burst. So you will see how it be. Everything where they don't work for destroyed. This now the electronic and repair shops. Everything, parts, even those who bring work, make them repair everything. Now they ain't born like this. Well, the traders don't call the FCT minister, make he help them, see how they go help them start up their business, since they said as a day now, they don't know waiting to do, they don't lost everything. They want government make a chook eye for the matter and help them start up their business again. If not, now everything where they get, now they destroy, now the fire destroy like this, and they don't know how they go start. So many of them they cry for here, and then they call on the FCT minister to see what they go do, to see how he go help them start all over and start their business all over again. This now how far we go take from Nyanya market, where fire burn shops.
Imagine, what is all this burning up and down? You don't know that there is a particular message to it. This is the handwork of the Fulani Janjaweed. They are the ones doing this. I am telling you. They just want to wreck everything that belongs to the Biafrans or Igbo, reckless. So it is time we put heads together to fight one common enemy, because this thing that is going on is not normal anymore. This happened in Abuja, in Nyanya market in Abuja. Mostly the market is made up of Igbo's traders, and look at what is going on. Come on, draw this attention and pass the message to your own self. What is really going on? Why is this still so rampant these days, especially to the Biafrans, the Igbos, their trade and all that? You can see error there. These people don't need you. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. If you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends and family. Let them know the latest that happened all over the globe. See you when I see you. From me to you, and I say bye.